time. Number 48. We're doing Mount Moriah today for our number 48 on our final journey for the quest of the 48. Taking the Stony Brook Trail. Me, the wingman, the wife getting ready. And I'm really gonna soak in this day. We're hoping the weather holds out. It's supposed to rain in the afternoon. So, but we're making a weekend of it and really soaking it in. So it's about a 10-mile hike. Like I said, hopefully we beat the weather. So number 48, very exciting. Well, number 48 for the wingman too. He's raring to go. All right, I'm gonna gear up and we're gonna get on the trail. Come on, Chew. Come on, Papa. All right, just going over our first bridge, the beginning of the trail. We are the only ones in the parking lot, which is nice. If we could get the peak to ourselves, that would be great. All right, here we go. Number 48. Very nice and peaceful here in the water, huh? All right, we're about only 20 minutes in. Gradual climb. Weather's cooperating. Very nice going along Stony Brook. No complaints yet, no bugs. Taking our time, soaking it in. I'll see you guys when it opens up. We're just in woods. So, see you guys in a little bit. Epic views. Hopefully, we're not bogged in with the cloud. There, I think.
Here?
Yeah, first water crossing. Yeah, see? Our first major water crossing. Yeah, success. All right. Continuing. Moriah tree. Going that way. Stony Brook Trail. So we're 3.6 miles into the hike. Really worried about one part on the trail going up. Just straight up a rock slab in the rain. See how that goes. Here we go, we're moving. Another sign. What do we got? 2 hours in. Campsite. Moriah Brook Trail. That way. We're going this way. Very slow going with the wet, the rocks. I know there's a slab you gotta really climb up, and I'm nervous for Chewy and my wife and myself. I'm hoping we can get up it without any issues. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But other than that, we're moving along pretty good. Probably got another mile or so to the top. Yeah.
Holy crap.
And for number 48, this is what we get to look at. We are bogged in. Oh, well, so much for the views today, huh? Bummer. Well.
Me and Chewy can be here.
Yep. All right. Ah, nice wet mist. Gotta love it. Hey, at least the rock's not that wet over here. And hopefully the rock is like this, that rugged, kind of rigid that you can really get a grip on. Not that slippery stuff. But at least we're out in the open for a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, it's too bad because we'd be getting some nice views right now. That's a bummer. Oh man. Well, that's a little disappointing for the last one. We are officially in the suck. Not a way I wanted to end my 48, but we're still making it. Raining. If we can't make it up that slab, we're turning around. Save this for another time if need be. I'm not gonna risk getting hurt to complete a mountain. So we'll see how bad it is. That's it. Just waiting for the wife to get a raincoat on. It's coming down. It's a bummer. That window that they said yesterday just closed up, and it's all rain all afternoon. We'll see how it goes. We'll continue. This could be an epic hike or an epic fail. Yeah. Still trucking. The whiteout. Just about 3 hours in, close to the peak. We're giving it a go, seeing if we can make it up that slab. We are in the suck. That's alright. It's number 48. And if it's raining, we're going to enjoy it the best we can. Sorry, everyone. I wish I had some epic views, but not today. I think I'm going to come back at the end of the summer and do this one again. Just to see what I missed. But wife's doing good, Chewy's doing good. So we're all doing all right. We got one more steep climb and that's it. So I'll see you guys at the peak. There you go. Good pup. Good boy! Good boy! Oh, down go! Oh, it's not bad. Chewy, hold on, Bubba. Chewy. All right, fine. Go that way. Okay, we're good. Yeah, that was it. That wasn't bad at all. I'm happy about that. I brought my other rug and brought that right back over. Yep. That was fun. Maybe we can start rug.
Hell no.
Okay. I hope that was a spot. It looks like there's more coming. Yeah, that was tough. Well, 0.1 from the summit. So we're gonna make it. How's it looking up here? Is he stuck? So this is gonna be it.
Hopefully we're going to the right.
Yeah. All right. Here we go. One final push. One last climb to our 48. I warmed up right there. Like my body got a little warm. Final climb. Huh. Well, no epic views, but it's gonna be an epic summit. Here we are, through all the rain, all the peaks, the years of blood, sweat, and tears. Woo! Final peak, number 48. Woo! 48, Bubba. 48, man. All he cares about is mama getting up here. We did it. We did it. And absolutely no views for the last one. Good job, Bubba. 48, Bubs. We did it. No celebrating up here. I think I'll just take a picture. Let's try scattering my dad's ashes somewhere. Figured there'd be a... Yeah, that's the top. All right, enjoy these few minutes and get back on the trail and get into some cover.
Yeah.
And you need pants. Okay. All right, it's been about 20 minutes since we left the peak. Rain let up a little bit. You all right? Rain's let up, but it's tough hiking. Glad I get to share this with everyone. My 48. Thank everyone for watching and comments. Feels good. I'm sure Chewy appreciates it. Right, Chew, man? Huh, Chew? But we're right here. But that's it. We're making our way down. Not much for the view wise, but one list down. Many more lists to go. Right, Chew? making our way down the trail. It's smooth sailing from here on out. I'm glad I got to, I don't usually share what I do at the top of all my peaks since my dad passed, but I'm glad I got to scatter some of his ashes today on Moriah. I'm glad the rain kind of stopped for a little bit. I could do that. Feels good. Got his boots on my pack with me too. Carried his hiking boots with me on this one. Just make it extra special. You know, the views weren't what I was hoping for with the weather, but you take the good with the bad in hiking. You know, it's my 48. I'm happy. I'm happy it's done. I'm glad it's done. So we'll keep going. Keep on trucking. Plenty more hikes to do. Right, Chew? Yeah, who's a good boy? Alright. Here we go. Yeah, we are officially in the suck. The rain's coming down. And thank God there's a good canopy so we're not getting pelted with rain, but ooh. It's not a day I wanted to finish the 48 on, but you know what? The challenge in itself was worth it to make it up some of those steep climbs in the rain. Really was it felt good being able to accomplish that. So even though the weather stunk and I didn't get to use my GoPro a lot because there were no views, we made the best of it. So happy about that. I'm very excited. That's just one list we finished. There's many more lists we want to do. So we got the 52 with the views going, the New England 67 we want to do, and I want to hit the 100 peaks. So that's our goal. We got plenty more hikes coming. Glad I got to finish this list. 3 years in the making. And I got to finish it with my best friend, Chewy. So nice. We'll get our patches. And continue on to the next hike. So that's about it on this hike. So man, for me and Chewy, happy trails. We'll see you guys next time. You be safe out there and stay dry. All right, happy trails.